be home.
Does he like a cuddle?
He likes it.
You're going to tell him why you like these woods, Danny?
I like these ones.
Why do you like these woods, Danny? What else does Little Bear like?
What TV? What's that fall down? Down.
Just an old tree that's fallen down.
I don't want it told. I don't want to run it told. Don't want to run it told. Why is it on the hole like that?
That's just where it's knocked another tree over.
Why is it not to tea over?
It's squashed that little tree there.
Why is it just that little tea?
It was very big and very heavy. When it fell over, it squashed that little tree.
I like that big tea.
You do like this big tree.
I
You can see
like
the roots.
Mum, don't look at the roots. Just having that bit. Just having little, just a bit tickle, baby.
Right. You okay? That was a bomb. Does he like being carried?
Hold my hand.
Oh, right then. I will hold your hand.
Don't hold that. Don't hold it.
Okay.
I want it.
I'm taking a picture of Grandad Bentley and Uncle Ben and Granny Northern. My wellies. And your beautiful wellies. And you. Would you like me to hold your hand?
Okay, for real.
Does he? What does little Ted like about these woods?
Little bear like me.
Does he? Hello, little bear. You are lovely.
It's so about a wood.
Why do you like the woods, Danny?
That died out. The bear.
It has dried out.
Why
Hasn't it?
it died out?
Because we haven't had any rain for a while. None to speak of. Do you like it better when it's dry or when it's muddy?
No. No.
Do you like it dry better or muddy better?
I don't like it muddy.
You don't want it muddy.
I don't like it when it's Where's that thrown out?
Which way do you want to go? This way or that way? This way.
What this? Like people we can see. Oh no. Mom, don't walk on this bit.
Okay, I'm walking on this.
Mom, don't walk in. Mom, don't touch it. Not whining.
Okay.
It's for me. Just hand up this hand. Mom, turn.
Okay.
I get
Do you want your other train carriage?
I just hand covered.
Here's your train carriage. There we go.
I want this. I want some of this. Mommy, I'm out.
You're off. We didn't need wellies today, did we?
I went back.
Okay.
Where's that fallen down?
An old dead tree, that's all.
Where's it, Dad?
Just might have got old, or it might have got fungus disease or something, I don't know.
Mom, hold it with my hand. I'm holding. What's that noise?
That's the bird tweeting.
What's that noise?
And Frankie Jungling's a bird.
What's that mumble?
Oh, that's the pumping station.
Where's it? Pump the water. Where's it pumping water?
You can do a little 1, 2, 3 wee for little bear. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Hold his hand. We swing him and go wee.